Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Did you ever try wonderful taste of Madurai Masala Curries? Today I am going to show you super flavorful and delicious Madurai Mutton Chops Curry along with quick Madurai Masala which provides best flavor to this curry. So let's not waste any more time and make our weekend special with super flavored Madurai curry. Friends, this masala is not just limited to today's recipe. We can use this super flavored masala for most of the veg as well as non-veg curries. Add little water so that masala doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Friends, always fry any non-veg pieces for at least 5 minutes on medium flame with lid open to make it soft and juicy. Friends, keep turning mutton chops in between in order to avoid burning of masalas as we are frying on medium flame. Friends, you can just serve it like this if you like thin gravy, or else cook for 5 more minutes on medium flame to make our gravy little thicker. Curry leaves not only enhances flavor to any curry but also is best known for its multi-nutrient benefits. Friends, try this curry and enjoy the best flavor of Madurai Mutton Chops Masala. I'm pretty sure you'll love this recipe and want to make it again and again. Hope you like this video. Also, don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.